Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful video today. So today I want to show you guys, I want to expose some things about Patricia, okay? So some things you don't know, I want to show you. I did my research and I came out with a lot of this stuff about Patricia App. So it's not a review. I just want to expose some things about Patricia App. So first of all, you should know this that Patricia is located in Lagos and you can see the address right here. It's open 24 hours a day. We're going to try that. If it's really open 24 hours a day, you can call them. You can call them. All right. You can call them right now. So if you have issues, call this number. All right. So I know whosoever is in charge of that phone right now watching this video will be mad at me. All right. So like I said, it's a new app. It's founded in 2017, and ever since then, it's like the Luno of Nigeria. It's like the Binance of Africa. And this is the app. Like I said, this is the mobile. This is the mobile login. Sorry, the desktop login, and it's quite easy. You can see I have some 2 points, blah blah blah. I've been using Patricia, and it's quite swift, but sometimes they always go into some maintenance and upgrade on the website so you can have better services, and that results to the low ratings. But come on, guys, you guys can do better. Stop giving one. Now, if the app is slow in your phone, then it's the fault of your phone. Actually, it's fast, it's swift, or maybe you have a very poor internet. But Patricia app is quite good and it's fast enough. All right, and also if you're having any issues, it's easy. It's I'm going to show you how you can interact with the customer care very easy, and how you can it's very easy for you to interact with the customer care. I'm going to show you that. So but Patricia app is, like I say, it's quite popular in Nigeria because Patricia has around 100,000 downloads so far on the app store, which I think it's good. It's a good thing. A lot of people love it, and Patricia app exploded during the time of Big Brother. All right, during the time of Big Brother, Patricia app was so generous, gave these guys $500 worth of Bitcoin each for winning whatever challenge they had in the Big Brother. So ever since then, Patricia app has been seeing so many growth ever since then. So um there's one thing you need to know. All right, Patricia app is established or founded by this guy. Yeah, his name is Anufejiro. You can go to his profile. Yeah, interesting profile. He's 25 years old. Just celebrated his birthday recently. You can find him on Instagram. All right. So if this guy, when you find him on Instagram, don't hit the follow button so you can message him with all your crappy stuff and complaints. No, like follow him. Come on, guys. Like his profile pictures and all of that. Like this guy is inspirational. Like if it doesn't inspire you, nothing else will. So, but we all know Patricia app. Like I said, gained popularity during the time of Big Brother. And if you go to Patricia app on Instagram, you can see they have all the superstars around them, like all the Nigerian superstars, all the celebrities. Almost all of them are Patricia app. So right now, Patricia app is one of the fastest I've ever seen when it comes to reply on social media. It's faster than any other one any other exchange, whatever I've ever used. But I sent a message like I sent a message like 10 minutes ago, but nobody has replied me. Okay, well I don't blame anyone because as of the time I'm making this video, it's 10 p.m. in the night. Alright, so maybe the guy operating this account is sleeping. And Patricia app is the only company or whatever that calls its users chief. That's kind of weird, but it's cool. Like everybody's chief whenever you use Patricia app. All right, so like I said, if there's anything more you need to know, you can come to Patricia app on Instagram, message them, and it's quite they're gonna reply you very fast from this side and they're gonna resolve your issues. So I was saying something about people giving Patricia app low ratings because um yeah, it comes with the fact that Patricia app is new and it's always going into upgrade. So you guys can have a better service. Maybe you should be here with them or something. All right. So, but yeah, aside that, I think I've exposed some little things about Patricia app, and yeah, if there's anything you feel I didn't really talk about this app or whatever, you can just drop the comments. Drop a comment. Also, make sure you like this video. If you don't like the video, unlike the video. If you like the video, then like the video, right? But any which one, just make sure you do a lot of activities and engagement. I really need them. All right. Make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell button so whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to get them. All right. So I just exposed a few things you should know about Patricia app. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.